We have been creating all sorts of animations using our Canva tool. In this video, we're going to check and see how can we generate income using these Canva animations that we have learned. We've made them learn how to talk. We've made them learn how to blink. We've made full-on animations like the Noah animation. But how can you generate income using Canva animation? Please join me. The first option is to sell your animations on websites like payhip.com. If you're producing like we do on Canva and you have small clips, you can sell them online. It's fairly straightforward and easy to do. So you open a shop with Payhip using your PayPal or your PayStripe, and then you have a store open where you could sell your animations. When you scroll down, it shows you the terms and conditions and how simple it is to start selling your designs using the Payhip. The big thing here is you need to promote your store. And I've been searching how other people are promoting. This website has been around for about 11 years. No, since 2011. I'm lying. And when you scroll down, you get to view how is their pay structure looking like. You do have a free account or a free option that charges you 5% transaction fee every time you sell a product. But you can load as many products as you want. If you want a lower transaction fee, then you would be paying a monthly fee of $29. And then there's another pro account that's available. So when we scroll down, what are the options available for animations that you could be doing? You could do like I'm doing. I'm selling stock animations on Payhip. So you could do stock animations or you could use streams animation. So it's up to you what kind of way you want to sell your animation. They facilitate the whole thing and you start generating income when you promote your store to your audience. So my shop looks like this. It's called payhip.com/learn-with-ZA. I only have one product at the moment, but I'm going to be adding more products on Payhip. I will link it on my description below. So you can go support me and you go have a look how it looks like. But basically, you're going to give people access to your video that you've created or the animation that you've created. And I've set it up in such a way that I'm using PDF. As soon as somebody pays the $5, they get access to the link and they can edit this as the way that they want. This is not the only product that you could sell on Payhip. If you look at the products that are allowed for you to sell on Payhip, there's digital products. You could sell courses. I'm thinking of adding a course on here as well. There's membership that you could add, physical products, bundles, and coaching services that are available for you to use on a Payhip account. This is an animation video. You could start selling your animations using Payhip. That's number one. The second method wants you to have a proper marketing strategy. So your job is to let people know that you have the skills of creating animation, whether it's small business owners or somebody wanting to create an animation for their project. It could be ads for their businesses. It could be poster ads for their businesses. It could be just you creating an animation for a project that they might have, and they just need to add that on their PowerPoint presentation or whatever they need animation that you are creating. It could be a flyer or a poster that's animated and interactive and interesting that you could be creating. Or it could be an explainer ad that you could be creating for them, like I did with this one that I want to show you.
Good to see you today.
Your job is to sell your services. Sell, sell, sell.
Advertising. Wow.
The last method is you creating a YouTube channel that has animation films or short films on there. People are making good money with this sort of way of generating income. Creating a YouTube channel promoting your YouTube channel, putting in all the effort that you can to grow your YouTube channel. And I'm not talking about the Disney channels. I'm talking about the small channels like the 6K channels that has 6.4 million views. And I'm talking about these small channels that are very similar to me and you, who are creating animations and they're sharing them on YouTube and they're generating income using the animation. When you start learning animation, you start getting better with animation, and with any other skill, you start getting better as time goes on. So your videos at the beginning of your career with YouTube are gonna be bad. They're definitely gonna be bad, but you're gonna grow and you're gonna create amazing videos. As you grow, then your channel will start generating income. It will not be immediate, but when time goes on, you will start generating income if you're patient enough. I've done this. I've created a brand new channel that has like 10 subscribers, I think, for now. And the idea there is to share with moms, and I'm planning to create animation using Canva. Lucky for me, I have an iPad and I do have Procreate, and I'm planning to buy Procreate Dreams so that I can do better animations with my iPad. So if you want to grab a second-hand iPad on Amazon, use my link below. It will help you and it will go a long way. This is really a very creative way to explore your creativity and have fun with your creativity, doing something that you absolutely love. Please go check out my PayHip store and have a look at how it looks like. I cannot wait to see you on our next video. Thank you so much for joining me. We will see you on our next video.